Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Ninik Putri Adriani. I will explain how to use ticket parking in UNSERA. So first, go through the entrance gate. You will be given a ticket, including a motorcycle or car ticket. If motorcycle, park behind building B, and cars park behind building A. Then, when going out, you must show a parking ticket. There is no parking free if you lost the parking ticket. Give the parking ticket to office without paying. If you lost the parking ticket, you have to pay 10 rupiah for a fine. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in next video. Bye!